This quick tutorial will show you how to delete one chat message on Twitch. Start by pressing the gear icon next to the chat button. Enable the Show Mod Icons option. You should now see a series of icons next to each message. Press the garbage bin icon to delete the one message. The mod icons also allow you to ban and timeout a user. If you don't like having mod icons enabled, there is an alternative. Find the message you want to delete and right-click on the username next to it. Select Delete. You can also press Purge to remove all the messages from that user. To delete a message on the Twitch mobile app, press on the username next to the message. You can then choose to delete the message, time out the user, or ban them.